This is a description of the x-nore device. It consists of a chin support which is covered with a removable and washable pad. A chest support which comes in two sizes to meet the individual's needs. The chest support lays flat on the chest and is attached to a telescopic rod with an adjustable swivel joint. The chest support has two detachable sliding pads to achieve wearer comfort. An adjustable telescopic rod to support the lower jaw during sleep with variable length to keep the user's head in an erect position and user comfort. A malleable U-shaped frame which is covered with Velcro on both arms with a neck strap attachment and adjustment. A padded washable neck strap with Velcro at both ends to attach to a U-frame of the Xnore device. Sitting on the edge of your bed or in front of a mirror, hold the device with the hand opposite to the free end of the neck strap, and the free end of the neck strap with your other hand, and tilt the device away from your face, ensuring that the Xnore chest support rests on the top center of the chest at the level of the collarbone. Place the chin pad under your chin so as to support your head, but don't push it backwards. The free end of the neck strap should be brought behind your neck and attached using a Velcro to the other arm of the U-frame. When the device is worn correctly, the arms of the U-frame lay approximately halfway between your jawbone and your collarbone on both sides. The Xnore should sit comfortably, supporting your chin but without contact with the front or sides of your neck. Sleep on your side, on your back, or in a sitting position is readily achieved with the Xnore, though some persistence may be necessary to overcome the initial strangeness of sleeping with this attachment.